Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today our topic is essential nutrients for our health. What and all are the nutrients which requires for our human body? How we will get these nutrients? So while taking our food, we should know how much energy is required for a day. How much nutrients is required in a day. So the nutrients, first of all, the essential nutrient is carbohydrate. 50 to 60% of our total energy is required in the form of carbohydrate. Next, 15 to 20% of our total energy in the form of fat. Next, 15 to 20% is protein. Of our total energy is protein. So these are all the main essential nutrients for a human body. How we will get the carbohydrates? What are the products which contains more of carbohydrate? As all know, none other than the rice. So rice, wheat, rice recipes like idli, dosha, Kerala's favorite puttu. These are one of the maximum carbohydrate rich foods. And the wheat byproduct is maida, rava. These all are not good for our health as it is zero fiber and it's not good for, so it is not good for diabetic patients. And the others also not good as it won't produce energy. It is zero energy. So this type of food, these maida products has to be avoided from our diet in a maximum extent. And I told it is 50 to 60% of carbohydrate is essential. Those who are working in sunlight or like coolie workers, maize and GHMC workers, they need more of carbohydrate as they have to retain their energy for a long time period. So they have to take more of carbohydrate rich products. So they can take more of rice. So the other sources are root vegetables, jackfruit. These all are rich of carbohydrate. And those who are staying inside and they want less energy for a day, so they should reduce the carbohydrate intake and they have to add more of vegetables in the form of salads. The South Indians will forgo to take such vegetables. They are used to take from the years, they are used to take more of rice. But the era has changed. Now the hard work has reduced. The working capacity has reduced as we are staying inside only. No coolie, no external work. So we have to reduce the carbohydrate intake. And those who are working in sunlight, they require more of carbohydrate. So they can take the products like rice plus tapioca, jackfruit plus tapioca, small fishes, rice ganji with little salt. Even though it produces a good protein, as due to excessive sweating they will lose sodium also. So to maintain these types of foods they can adopt. But I told those who need less energy, if they take more of carbohydrate, more than 50 to 60% of their total energy, if they are taking those, if you are taking, it may result into diabetics or even it may turn into the form of cholesterol. So maintain this. So all Keralites or all South Indians, don't forget to add their vegetables along with their carbohydrate diet, especially along with the rice. Then next essential nutrient is fat. It is the main source of energy, or it is the storage form of energy. In the older days, we used to prepare with oil. How we are using the oil for the cooking? After cooking the vegetables, we use the oil in the last stage. Just 1 teaspoon we will drop after complete preparation of the dish. That is the best form of using of oil or any other fatty things. But nowadays, due to the arrival of our foreign culture or Western Indian culture, it has changed completely. Using vanaspati, dalda or butter, cheese, it has changed our lifestyle of food completely. This turns into the formation of triglycerides, unwanted and cholesterol. So this is the main reason for getting these types of cholesterol. But you can use the oil, as I mentioned earlier, after cooking the vegetables or after preparation of dishes. Just 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of oil you can pour in the last stage. So this is the best method of usage of oil. Avoid the deep fried or too much of oil usage. That's all, you have to avoid it. So next is the coconut. Yes, coconut is also a healthy thing, but it should not be fried with oil or something. You can use the coconut in the plain form, grind it, and can use in the curry form. As Kerala, there are lots of healthy dishes like olen, avial, pachadi. These are our healthy recipes with half boiled vegetables or just pouring the oil or just grinding with coconut milk. So these are one of the essential or healthy dishes. And so the next essential nutrients is the protein. 15 to 20% of our total energy, we need protein. Proteins in the form of vegetarian or in the form of non-vegetarian. It is the building blocks of body tissues and it is a fuel source. So the protein has the two important role, as it maintains the energy as like carbohydrate, and it is the building blocks of body tissue. So this is an unavoidable thing in our daily life. The protein rich foods are meat, egg, milk and milk products, peas, nuts varieties, meat. So these all are protein rich. It should be taken in minimal quantity, as Kerala's or all the South Indians having some combinations like puttu plus kadala, then idli dosha with sambar, rice with dal. These are our good combinations of getting protein and carbohydrate together. So the next thing is vitamins, minerals, bioflavonoids. The vitamin rich thing vegetables are and fruits, as the vegetable contain lots of vitamins, but most of the vitamins are water soluble. So while we are taking vegetables, we should not cook for long time, as it dissolves. The water will dissolve in cooking. So there will be loss of vitamins if you cook for long time. The best form of taking vegetables is in the salad form or in the halfly cooked vegetables or in the steaming form. So there will be no loss of such vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. And there is other tendency that after cooking we'll discard the water. So that is also again the wrong usage of the vegetables. So previously I told, used in the form of salads or in the halfly cooked or in the steamed form. You can use the vegetables. And coming to the fruits, these also contains lots of vitamins and minerals. But you have to opt more of seasonal fruits. And the fruits like papaya, banana and guava, these are rich in vitamins and it has antioxidants also. So daily you have to change your fruits and vegetables. All vegetables, you have at least 80 to 90% you can get rid of your problems. This is all about our nutrients. If needed, we'll go in the detail about your cholesterol, diabetic, everything. We will come in detail about each topic. This is our nutrients topic. Hope you liked it. If you like, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Those are not subscribed, please subscribe, and once subscribing, you please click the bell button and press all option, so you will get all notifications whenever we upload it. So thank you everyone. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.